Most of the women out there, they think engineering is a hard thing. But it's not that hard as long as you are focused, as long as you are sober-minded, as long as that's what you really want to do, then there's nothing impossible. I did aircraft maintenance engineering at SAST for 3 years. I joined Proflight in 2013 as a maintenance planner. So I've been working with Proflight since 2013 up to date. What I do in planning is to maintain the records of the aircraft and all the documents. Planning, we are the custodians of all the documents of an aircraft. We monitor the hours of the aircraft. We schedule the maintenance checks. So for the women out there, I'm inviting all of you who are planning to do engineering, come on board. Let us build this nation together. Let us build this world together. There's nothing impossible that you can't do. And there's nothing that woman can't do. We are able to do. We are stronger than men.